Okay, since I managed to clean up the downstairs area, I've got a bigger area to work in now. So I'm going to try and see about getting this board working on this project. So what I'll do is I will start removing the original GeeeTech board. Okay, I was going to start designing and 3D printing another bracket like what I've done on this one for this, but then actually I'm going to stop that. What I need to do is do a bit of a see if this actually is going to work. So I'll cable this back up and try and get that to work. Okay, where do I start? I tried to get this board working. I reseated components and I put down my laptop. Tried to talk to it direct. I could not get this board to work, so that's probably a reason that the router thing wasn't working. So I'm sort of looking at getting a new controller entirely. But as part of looking at this project, I noticed that this belt was getting like looser and looser and looser. And I was thinking, oh, maybe it's stretched, but I wouldn't have thought, why would it stretch? It turns out I'll try and zoom in on this, but this is slowly creeping that way, despite it being so difficult to, well, I can move it again now, but with every movement of this, it slowly creeps in and makes the belt tension loose. So ultimately that's going to be another issue. I'm actually thinking the amount that I'm going to spend on getting a new controller, and given that I've only got a 5-watt laser, while this would have been a fun project to reuse stuff that I already had at minimal cost, if I'm having to spend, another $100 for parts, and it's still only a 5-watt laser, am I better off spending $200 and getting a 10-watt complete system with the Black Friday sales on and all that sort of stuff? It may be that this project is actually not worth doing financially. While it was a fun project, you have to come to a point where it's not economically viable to continue to sink money into a project that is probably never going to work, or if it does work, not work reliably. I'm not going to destroy it. I think I'll just pack it up for a future me. I usually collect stuff for free or very cheaply all the time. Perhaps I might be able to get a controller off something else in the future that hasn't cost me a lot of money, and work with it there. So I'm sorry to all the people who were following along and hoping that I was actually going to get this project working, but yeah, I think that's it on this project for now. We'll start on another project next week, I think. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and do all that YouTube stuff. We all know what that is. Okay, bye.